We're also going to take pathophysiological analysis. We're also going to study mental disorders from a neurological and a cognitive analysis.
You have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis.
And you look at it and you're like, oh, that's what all these things mean? Does that justification that you just laid out kind of come after?
Someone else's promiscuity might ascend off the roof. A branch or a subset of psychodynamics.
Pervasive amongst certain type of mental disorders primarily. From a linguistic perspective, now what I did was, since I kind of have a rudimentary understanding of linguistics in terms like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. And what I find intriguing with music and art is there's a lot of relation. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception. What is the sound trajectory that occurs? We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Persuasion.